Hi people, today is Thursday. I just finished my workout and I need to start packing because I'm gonna leave my grandparents' house tomorrow on Friday, and then my flight to New York is Saturday night. So this is the chaos. We decided to move from my room because it was, and I'm basically just gonna put everything down on the floor, count how many t-shirts, how many dresses, how many everything I'm going to pack and see how it goes. Wish me luck. I am not overpacking. Packing. I recommend packing cubes.
A few moments later.
Well, I think we have made progress. It's not perfect, but it was better than it was before, so.
Day 2.
We're basically done packing, kinda. I bought some new stuff, some new things, but I think this might go over the weight limit. So I think I might have to remove like a lot of things. I just don't want to. And this is my book. Yes, I'm packing 2 copies. Okay, so we first weighted the bag on the scale that I have here, and now we have exactly 25 kilos. I need to go to 23. So I need to figure out some way of getting 2 kilos out of this.
Eventually.
So hello everyone, update. Now it's like 3 p.m. I went to a place to wax because, you know, Brazilian waxing. I just call it waxing, but anyways, I got my nails done. I don't know, it makes me feel good. I feel like just taking care of yourself. It's just, I mean, self-care is not just doing things like that, but it's also really good. I guess I can't believe it took me a trip to New York and to Taiwan to actually take care of myself. But anyways. Okay, so hi everyone. I am back home and I am already packing, and of course I'm overpacking. Look, so this is weighing now. It was 20 kilograms. This is 6. So I had to get this to get some extra stuff because this was over 6 kilograms, and I can't do that, right? This has to be 23. So then I had to get this, which is something that like you can pack extra stuff because Hobbs and I we are only packing one of this, so this can actually go inside the bag when we're not using. Then we have this, which is also quite heavy, but this is all for New York. And because we overpacked, it's 9 p.m. and we're trying to put this on top of the car, my bags. So let's go.
This is just for 2 days. Like
Exactly.
3 days.
This is just for us packing for literally 2 days.
Like up to the ceiling.
All the way up, and we're going to São Paulo now. It's like almost 10 p.m. So I guess we're gonna get there at 1 a.m. But that's life. We're gonna be sleeping in the car and hope that we have a good trip.
Tomorrow.
Here we are at the shopping mall. Come on, doing our last like traditional day before traveling, where we have this frozen yogurt. Jules, show yours. Look at this. Yeah, look at mine. Amazing. I love this. Again, let's go to the airport. Okay, so just to give everyone an update, I am at the airport right now, literally at my gate, just waiting to get on the plane. And I don't know, it feels good.